Hey, I'm Max and welcome to my idle game tutorial. In this tutorial, at the end we should have this result right here, which includes a updating graph that updates every 10 seconds with the new dollars that you have, different coins that you can buy and sell that changes price randomly, and that gives you an interest based on how many you own. So for example, this one I have 22 now, and every 10 seconds it gives me interest based on that and shows in my wallet. In this video we'll add powers, and I'll set up my exchange over here in the trade that's supposed to give me coins instead of currency. First I'll add a new empty game object for my powers menu. In there I'll add a button and I'll put my button sprite on it, and then I will scale it up quite a bit. For this tutorial I'll just make one power, but you can add more if you want. This power will cost 10% of your dollars and it will give you 30 seconds of everything going up. So when you buy this for 10% of all your dollars, it will make everything go up for 30 seconds. Or actually 10% of your dollars isn't very good because you can just spend everything before buying it and it's going to cost you literally nothing. So instead I'll do something like 1 million or something. So this is pretty bad design because once you get to a certain point 1 million is nothing, so you can have it up at all time. So this is not a very good idea for an actual game, but for this tutorial, just to show you how to do it, it's fine. So in my game script I will add a private bool going up power. I will add a public void by going up power, or you could do by power with a int if you don't want to make different functions, but I think it's better this way anyway. And I'll just do if player data dot dollars is greater than new big number, and I'll do 1 million. And if it is, then I want to set going up power to true. I also want to remove that amount from the dollar, so minus equal new big number 1 2, and I want to disable this after 30 seconds, so I could create a timer, but I think I'm just going to do a private IE numerator for a coroutine, and I'll call it power off. And in here I'll just do yield return new wait for seconds 30, and then I will go going up power equals false. And in here I'll just start coroutine power off. Finally, I need to go in my crypto here when I calculate if it goes up or down, and for the going up I can just add going up power, or if the random value is correct. So if it's going up power is true, it's always going to add. And then on my power button I just drag in the game, go into game and go into by going up power. Let's not forget to go into our menus and add a menu for the power menu. So now if I launch the game, I go into powers and I click here, it doesn't really show my money because it's just 1 million. But if I go into trade, everything is going up and it should go up for at least 30 seconds. If you want to make it so you can buy more than one at once, like spam it and have it last for multiple minutes instead of just 30 seconds, you cannot do this with a coroutine because it's going to turn it off after 30 seconds. So in this case you could add a timer and add 30 seconds to the timer every time you re-click it. Okay, now let's make the exchange give us crypto. I think I will make it give us the Insanity C crypto. So you can see here that my exchange is number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want my exchange, which is the crypto 5, to give me crypto 4, which is the Insanity C. So I'll just do cryptos 4 dot own plus equal random dot range 0.01 and 0.03. I was about to do the times after, but we only did the big number times float operator, so I need to put my big number before. And my big number is just going to be cryptos 5 dot own, and then I'll do the times. Okay, so now you can see I have 0 Insanity C and I have 0 exchange. Now if I buy one exchange and I go back, it should give me Insanity C coins, and as you can see it works. So it's going to give me a random amount between 0.01 and 0.03 every 10 seconds, like this. So if I buy a bunch of exchanges, I should get a ton of Insanity C every 10 seconds. And there you go. So this project is not perfect, there's still a lot of things that we could fix or improve, but I think just for a simple tutorial that's pretty good. We learned to do a lot of things like how to make the big numbers, how to make graphs, and a bunch of UI features like changing menus, opening up other menus, and using things like buttons, input fields. So overall, if you're a relative beginner to Unity, you probably learned a lot of things. So I think for now that's going to be the end of the tutorial. Maybe later if I have some better ideas or if someone in the comments give me a good idea, I might do another part. So thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe if you liked it, and check out my other Unity tutorials.